on Expedition GeForce. And we're almost in the back.
Yeah.
In the second to last car. They're
Let's
only...
see if this is better or...
I think it's gonna be better. I think it's gonna be way more intense. I'm already excited, but it's very slow operation here today in this coaster.
Very slow.
I only use one train, it's very slow. Sky Screen was fast though. Anyway, here we go. Expedition GeForce. Woohoo! It's so good. It's a nice coaster. I like it better here than in front.
I think so too, because the drop was amazing.
Yeah, the drop is amazing. It's so good.